Yo, what's up, guys? Good evening. All right, so exciting day, very emotional. A lot of roller coaster out there, guys. People feeling all kinds of ways about Trump. Listen, guys, patience is key. Don't be shocked to see bullish news tomorrow. And green markets. I'm honestly excited. I'm excited. Who knows? I'm kind of excited at the prospect of waking up to a booming portfolio tomorrow. Right? Very excited about it, guys. So, not everything can be accomplished in the first 12 hours or whatever of his presidency. It's all good, guys. It's all good. The guy's buying crypto like crazy. Everything's going to be fine. The problem is not. Here's the thing, guys. The problem is not that you think, if you're one of the people that's emotional and you're upset and you're angry at Trump right now and you're mad that there was no crypto news today from him. It's not that there was no crypto news. It's not that you don't think that he's going to do all of this bullish stuff towards crypto. It's that you don't have the patience to wait for him to do it, right? That's what it is. And those are the people who do not succeed in this market, guys. People who allow their emotions to control them in this asset class are doomed to fail in this asset class, right? Again, you got to sit back and you really got to think about it. Do you really think deep down in your soul, do you really think he's not going to do anything pro crypto? Or are you just upset he didn't do it today and pump your bags? Just think about it logically is all I'm saying. Use your logic. I think you'll find what I'm saying is true. And I think that you'll find, yeah, you know what? He's right. He is going to do something pro crypto. So what am I worried about? Right? Be positive, guys. Be positive. All right, so we're going to have a look at some charts. We're going to look at JASMY. We're going to look at Onyx coin. We're going to look at Swift because it's looking good. Miri is looking nice too, eh? Yeah, looking good. Up 12.2%. You'll love to see it. All right, so JASMY. Here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. Everyone's asking, I'm worried about JASMY. I'm scared about JASMY. Guys, my opinion, just my opinion, this is where you need to be accumulating JASMY, not where you need to be considering selling JASMY, right? You buy blood in the streets, you buy the red, you sell the green, not the other way around, right? Nothing has changed in terms of JASMY's fundamentals. Everything is still mega bullish. Even the chart is bullish, which we'll get into, right? So, again, emotions, put them in check, guys. Put them in check. Listen, we have a community, a massive community that supports people who have emotions, who need to talk, who need to get this stuff out, who need to, conversate with everyone to kind of, talk your way through these things, right? Instead of making bad decisions. Jump over to the Patreon. We literally have hundreds and hundreds of people over there. We do multiple live group video calls over there every single day. You can jump into one of our live group video calls. You can express your concerns. You can get feedback. We have a ton of veterans in this industry, guys, people who've been around for multiple cycles, who can help talk you through all of this stuff, who can reassure you, including myself, obviously, right? And we can show you what path we're on. We sit down in these group video calls. We discuss the markets. We discuss where things are going. We discuss if something bad happened, all this stuff and more, where we think prices are going. Right now, we're discussing very heavily. Sorry, guys, I'm going to get into JASMY and Onyx coin and Swift in a moment, guys. I apologize if you're not, interested in what I'm saying, but a lot of people need help right now. Right? A lot of people need help understanding right now. We have guidance that you need over on the Patreon. We have an entire community there to back you up and prop you up and be your support. You can schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me as well. I'll talk about the rest at the end of the video, guys, if you're interested. But looking at JASMY, down 3.5% on the day, down 11.5% on the week, down 20% on the month. But we're up 4.15% on the year. We're even in rank at 82. Market cap's down at 1.29 billion. And the volume's pretty low right now, 165.40 million, which means basically no one's trading. It's no one's buying, no one's selling. There's not really much action going on one way or the other. It's just kind of coasting sideways, which is, perfectly fine. All right, going over to XCN, up an astounding 19.1% on the day. Once again, XCN continues to just carry the market on its back. It's up 380% on the week, up 485% on the month, and up an absurd 899% on the year. We're up another 23 spots in rank. We're inside the top 200, guys, 181. We have a $393.30 million market cap. For months, for almost a year, we were going over the market cap, talking about like a $50 million market cap. We have gone places, guys. Volume is up to 227.28 million. You love to see that. And look at Swiftcoin, guys. You got to give love to Swiftcoin. Up 23.9% on the day, up 45.3% on the week, up 28.5% on the month, and up 365% on the year. That's 1% per day, right? We're up 56 spots in rank to 507. We have a $77 million market cap right now, and the volume is at 17.71 million. While that may sound low to you, we're used to a volume in Swift being somewhere between 2 to 4 million. So it's actually up massively as we speak. All right, so let's go look at some charts, right? Enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get to some charts. All right, so JASMY right now still inside of our bullish structure, guys. I don't know why people are bearish, but we're still inside of our bullish structure here. We're holding support on the bottom trend line, right inside our little golden pocket. Everything is fine. The breakout on this, 7 to 8 cents is my target. Just a matter of time, guys, a matter of patience. I'm telling you, in like 2 weeks, we're going to be up here most likely at like 7, 8 cents. And everyone's going to be saying, oh, do you think it's going to go back down to 2 cents, Rob? Do you think? Like, happens all the time. So if you want it at 2 cents, get it at 2 cents, right? Don't wait till it goes to 7 and then ask me if it's going to pull back down to 2 again, right? That's what I would say. But again, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just feeling kind of, loopy tonight. All right, what do we got? Let's go look to the XCN chart. Holding beautifully, guys. Continuing to put in higher highs on these daily closes. Right now, sitting at 1 cent 24. We continue to close well above a penny, guys. And again, I've talked about this multiple times. The strength below a penny. There is demand, high demand for Onyx coin below a penny. Because every time we drop below, it gets bought up so fast, which means people continue to put in a lot of buy orders down below a penny, which is reflecting to me anyway, that the market sentiment for this project is that it's going significantly higher than this, right? People are buying it as it just wicks below a penny because they think it's going they know it's going way, way higher, guys, right? That's what that means to me. When I see that kind of buying pressure on a support level like that, that tells me, why else would people be buying it just a hair below a penny? En masse the way that they are, because they know it's going higher. They're in it for profits, right? So that's what it tells me, guys. There's a lot of confidence in the market for XCN going significantly higher. That's why I hold. That's why I remain on course. Going over to Swift coin briefly. Swift's looking very strong as well. Look at that chart. V-shaped recovery on the dip. Right back up again, sitting at 20865. This little blue line here I put in is a penny. We will get there very, very soon, in my opinion, guys. But Swift's chart looking strong on the breakout. Inside of this little golden pocket we've been struggling with, but we'll make it, guys. We'll make it. Swift's going to do fantastic. All right, let's jump over to Bitcoin briefly, and we'll get into the news. I've already kept you guys pretty long. Look how high we wicked yesterday, guys. All the way up. We set in a new all-time high, $109,656 before wicking all the way back down and closing our daily candle at $102,250. We're sitting right now at 101,367. People are feeling emotional. And for me, guys, as long as we stay above this trend line, we're fine, right? But we're putting in a higher low right now. And basically, everything's just kind of coiled up right now, waiting for Trump to say just one little sniff at something positive in crypto, and this market's going to explode, in my opinion. So we'll see what happens, right? We'll keep on top of it. All right, so what do we have here, guys? Now, a couple of quick updates for XCN and JASMY. So here's an announcement here, guys, about the white paper. We talked about it earlier today, so just a little hint here. So it says, did someone say new white paper? So the new white paper is coming out, and we're going to break it down for you guys, obviously. But the reason I'm showing you that is because we have a little bit more from community member Jetpack. You know him, you love him, my guy, Jetpack. He says, check this out. He got a good point. He says, is this a sneak peek to the new Onyx white paper? So we have Fame EX, future outlook for Onyx coin. What lies ahead? Onyx coin's roadmap for 2025 includes expanding financial partnerships, so collaborations with banks and payment processors. Then we go down here, global reach, increased adoption in Asia. You know that, guys. You know that, right? These steps aim to position XCN as a leading player in blockchain-based financial solutions. Conclusion. Do you believe Onyx coin can compete with established giants like XRP and Ethereum? Share your thoughts on X. Guys, here's my take on it. Do I think that XCN is going to compete with Ethereum and XRP? Well, obviously, at this time, no. It's too small of a project. However, it's early. Buying XCN at these prices, and this is coming from someone in me who purchased XRP over 7 years ago. I held XRP for over 7 years, okay? I bought it early. I held it for so long because of the lawsuit. Otherwise, I probably would have ended up taking profits much sooner. However, that being said, buying XCN right now feels very familiar to me. It feels like buying XRP when it had first gotten started, right? So, in saying that, next bull run, possibly yes. Possibly yes. Then we could see it start to compete. However, there is one difference I'd like to point out that I pointed out yesterday between XCN and XRP. And that is that, and guys, listen, we love XRP. We're not bashing XRP, so chill, right? I love XRP. Held it for 7 years, blah, blah, blah. XRP tends to focus primarily on institutions, right? Whereas XCN focuses not only on institutions, but also heavily on retail, right? So that is where they kind of fork in the road. So yeah, very bullish on XCN, guys. Now, once again, guys, make sure you give NeoSun, friend of the channel, a follow over on X. He says, what exactly is the Japanese privacy mark obtained by JASMY? The privacy mark is a system designed for companies that have established a framework to take appropriate measures for the protection of personal information. In compliance with Japanese industrial standards, JISQ 15001, Personal Information Protection Management Systems, that certifies companies, grants them privacy mark indicating this achievement, and allows them to use the privacy mark in their business activities. Very bullish for JASMY. JASMY continues, guys, to show more and more signs of certification and regulatory favoritism, so to speak, from the Japanese government. This is extremely bullish. Why you would be bearish? We have a new white paper coming out in a couple months. Usually comes out in March. We have so much coming, and people are going to laugh at themselves in the next couple months when they look back on JASMY and all the stuff that's coming out in the very near future. They're going to go, I was actually thinking this project was dead. They're not going to believe themselves, right? So that's my thoughts on that, guys. So to finish up what I was saying earlier about the Patreon, guys, get over there. We have a phenomenal community. You can join our group video calls. You can even schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally over there. We have a live chat that's 24/7, and everyone's always helping in there too. We're posting, people are asking, how do I do this? How do I find that? How do I do this? And people are posting links in there for you to find stuff, right? People like, how do I stake my Onyx coin? Boom, here's the link. This is how you do it. We help you out. How do I operate my Coinbase wallet? Boom, this is how you do it. We help you out, right? All this stuff. We got your back with that, guys. And honestly, everyone who has joined, which is over the last 4 days been like an avalanche of people joining over to the Patreon. The feedback I'm getting is that people absolutely love the group video calls, whether they want to participate or just sit back and watch them and take notes and learn, because you get to not only engage and ask questions, but you also get to listen to a lot of people over there that have been through many, many altcoin seasons. And you get to hear us, bouncing things back and forth, discussing things. You can learn so much that way, guys, right? And people are absolutely loving it. We also have 2 gems right now that we're accumulating en masse, and the excitement in the group chat over there is just off the charts about this project we're accumulating, guys. We see it having a move like XCN very, very soon. And there's actually 2 that we're looking at. And I'm dropping another video over there this week about another gem that's going to have a phenomenal run as well. I'm going to try to drop that video tomorrow. So get over there, guys. Don't be late. You want to get in on these projects early. People say, well, how did you make so much profit on XCN? Guys, over on the Patreon, we were accumulating Onyx coin in March of last year, right? We were early in this. We just printed another 7-digit millionaire over on the Patreon the day before yesterday, guys. I'm telling you, you're missing out. I'm sitting in the chat over there like, hey, guys, who's the next 7-digit millionaire? Let's go, right? So get over there. The link is down below in the description, guys. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.